sound. And I forgot to dig deep enough because here what happened. You have to try and outdo the sound we just play before you. So right now, you hear me? Bust the place. Souls, 80s.
This has got to be the saddest day of my life. I called you here today for a bit of bad news. I won't be able to see you anymore because of my obligations and the ties that you have. We've been meeting here every day. And since this is our last day together, I want to hold you just one more time. When you turn and walk away, don't look back. I want to remember you just like this. Let's just kiss and say goodbye.
I had to meet you here today.
Bob, hear what?
There's just so many things to say.
Cut! And I'm gonna tell you why I'm cutting it. I said, 80s. All who said this song was produced in the 80s, let me see a show of hands. Let me see how much of you are musically inclined out here. All who said that produced and released in the 80s, put up on the hand. Okay. All who say it was produced in the 70s and released in the 70s, put up your hands. Okay, so here what I'm gonna do. You see anybody we don't stick within the years that we are picking, we're gonna disqualify you. Once you start off and we know say it wrong, we're gonna just skip over and go to the next song. Them young, so we're giving them a blind now, but anybody else make the mistake there, we're gonna stop you and skip and go to the next song. Alright, Remington, we know your foundation. Find me something wicked from in the 80s.
It's not the way you smile, touches my heart. It's not the way you kiss, it tears me apart. Many nights roll by. I sit at home and cry over you. What can I do? Don't want nobody. 'Cause baby, it's you. Baby, it's you.
You should hear what they say about you. Oh yeah.
Okay.
They say you never ever be true.
Thank you so kind, Remington. Big song, but I can tell a lot of people here, they cannot go over them head. No may I say, but I understand still, but here the object of this tune for tune, 80s Souls, is to bust the place and do better than the sound that played before. Now, here is a person that I idolized back as a youth when I go Calabar. This man, you all know him by the name of Mark Dragon. Now, before I came to America, the last sound system I listened to as a little youth, when I went to go visit my father, it was in a city on Whitehall, right off of Malizin Road, in a Kingston. Now, them man here, me know say you know some wicked song, souls from in the 80s. Dragon, give me a wicked souls from in the 80s.
The whispers in the morning. of lovers sleeping tight are rolling by like thunder now. Whispers in the morning of lovers sleeping tight.
No, calm down. Dragon. So,
no. All 1990 dedication. That's the original, Jennifer Rush, not Celine Dion.
Right, they're thinking about Celine Dion. You're thinking about Celine Dion. No, it's an 80s, but that's Celine Dion, a Celine Dion version. You are think about the Celine Dion version. Hold on. So, hear what? The people them say them are listen. Them say you play the cylinder first. Them say you start with the Celine Dion first. Are true? Alright, label wrong. John, no, Dragon. Alright, here what? I give him a break, just like how we gave the other son a break. Well, but you see the next round, nobody now getting a break. The next round, nobody now getting a break. 80s. And do me a favor, Dap. 1985. Dap. Listen to me. Me see in a sound system competition, I draw some song. Me want you draw some sword. Better fact.
Yo, how you find that?
Talk to me afterwards, at that time. That, me see you play some strong songs more time in a sound system quality competition. Well, now is where you're going to show these people that you are musically inclined and educated about this music business. 1980s, anything from 1980 to 1989, even if you cross this over in 1990, because a lot of songs were produced in 1989 that didn't take off until 1990. So if you're borderline this song, here's some forgiveness. 1980s, stop, play, no.
They go 1985.
We're gonna ask the question. So you heard everybody play a while ago. Which sound out of all 5 sounds just now that played the best song from the 80s? Show of hand. All who say Black Roots play one of the wickedest songs from the 80s, put up your hand in the ear, let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, 10. Okay, Black Roots have 10. But here what I'm gonna do. Baseline, just so you know, you know. 70s, brother, we say 80s. When you try and make it up the next one, I'm gonna skip over one. And the forfeit, your forfeit is 1980s and you guys go in 70s. So here, I'm gonna go straight to Remington. All who say Remington played a wicked song from the 80s. Show off and put up on the hand of the year, let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. All right. Spotlight. The one that shake it to you know. All who say Spotlight, Mark Dragon select a wicked song from the 80s. Put up your hand. Okay, and I know why nobody didn't vote. The Cylindian thing there. Going over to Dap Cosmic. All who say Dap Cosmic played a wicked song from 1980s. Put up your hands. Okay, let me see. Oh shit. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Yo! You better even gone past 10. So that got the first one. Back to Black Roots. Black Roots! Let the man them search, I search! And the crowd, please feel free to participate. If they want them to play something wicked, we don't give them 2 blank in the ear. You understand? 2 heavy Danny bass line.
Right, see?
I think nobody can dispute that. Yeah, man. Big heavy tunes coming out of the 80s. Up next is Remington. Give me a big tune, a bigger one than the one there.
Love at first sight, why do they say
Aye, that's a big song from the 80s. Dragon. Dragon as a fella yardy. Jano Star. Give me a song better than the one there.
Thank you so kind. Big heavy tune, trust me. Why them song that bring back some memories for real. Up next is the duck. No man, the 80s that. 1980s that. That Cosmic. Yo, you better beat that, you know.
Cosmic movements, you know, the history sound.
Remember, everybody, no pay attention. We are playing for forward to, you know. We are playing for forward, so we say crowd participation, make the selector them get wassy. You understand? So that, squeeze.
There's something that I want to say. Words sometimes get in the way. To show my feelings for you. There's nothing that I'd rather do than spend every moment with you. I guess you should know you're so.
Now let's ask this question real quick. Now, all who say Black Roots take the one that in the 1980s picks of souls. Hands in here, let me see. Hands, all who say Black Roots did really good in this round. Jano Star, tough audience. Heavy Danny. All who say Heavy Danny draw a wicked souls in the 1980s section. Put up your hands. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Jano. All right. All who say Remington did really well in picking his song in the 1980s. So don't put up on the hand. 1, 2. Jano Star. Wicked. Okay. Going over to Spotlight. All who said Spotlight did really good in the 1980s section. What? All right. A good amount that for count. All right. All who said Dub Cosmic did really good in the 1980s section. Remember, say Make I see. Two. All right, inner city. Spotlight, get the one there. All right, so what we're gonna do, this one, now remember ask the crowd, whether we want to continue and do another pick from the 80s or move on to another genre? Move on to another genre? All right, so we're gonna move on to another genre. And in my list that I have on my phone is a pick of an artist who passed away, goes by the name of Cocoa Tea. Everybody in the park find a Cocoa Tea, but you cannot replace or repeat what the last sound played. No, but inner city still get. If you have, you know that in the rules that I get, it didn't say that you cannot play a combination. Well, you know what? It didn't say combination. It says Cocoa Tea. So we're gonna play a tribute to Cocoa Tea. And everybody find me a Cocoa Tea, but you cannot repeat what you hear the sound before you play. Cocoa Tea.
She has come on to me. She says she's tired to see me living in misery. Yes, I found my Sonia. She has come on to me. She says she's tired to see me living in misery. So when she said, she come back home to wash and cook and clean for me, and to make sure that my surroundings are never dirty. When we do a search over land, and I did search over the sea, and I could never find my Sonia. But all of a sudden,
all right, thank you so kind. That was Black Root with his tribute to Cocoa Tea. Moving up next is Every Danny. And I just want to say happy anniversary to Every Danny and Alana. Happy anniversary. Big them up on their anniversary. We wish them many, many more. Yes, I am. Now, Every Danny, find me a Cocoa Tea. Do not replace or repeat what he just played. Cocoa Tea. Jason, saved by the bell.
You guys play
so that was Cocoa Tea. Clearly, that was a live
Cocoa
dance.
Tea. Of all the songs
but
that
nevertheless,
Cocoa Tea
play Cocoa Tea
really?
still. Up next, Remington. Cocoa Tea, and happy belated birthday, my youth. Yes, I am.
Things of substance forever gonna last. He came to give the blind mankind Christmas. Behold, the Lord God Rastafari, he then cry, my oh my, oh my. Behold, Jah, standing as a lamb to the slaughter, bring him and behold the Jah, standing as a lamb to the slaughter. Think about your future, don't forget your past. Things of substance forever gonna last. He came to give the blight, but mankind crucified. The same way they come to persecute I and I. So behold the Jah.
Thank you so kind.
Standing as a lamb to the slaughter.
Cocoa Tea. Spotlight. Find me a wicked Cocoa Tea.
Come on and love me. Love me too. Love me.
Bad song, yeah.
Come on and love me. Love me too. Love me. Love me truly. Love me. Come love me truly. Say come on girl, come and kiss and caress me. Do the things that bring back memory.
Yep. Pop. And so we love it. We're gonna keep that vibes going. Cosmic, give me a wicked cockatoo. Beat that one there. You better try and beat it.
Turn off the media sound. Turn off the media sound. Over this idiot sound. Over this them idiot sound. Sound they are not threat. Them sound they are not threat. Them sound as if they are. Turn them off. Turn them all off now. Turn them off. Turn them all off now. Cosmic movements not come here for love. Them are sure. Them sound they are not threat. Them sound they are not threat. Them sound as if with the higher than a listen with cassette. Them sound they are not threat.
We're gonna have a dub plate run. No dub plate. You did good with the 45. Oh, no, don't even think about the dub. Just think about the 45 when you just hear. We're gonna have a dub plate run, but not that song. Let's ask the question quick. All who said Black Roots did good in the cockatoo selection. Let me see the hand them. Okay. All who said every Danny baseline sound did really good in the cockatoo selection. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All who said Remington did good in this cockatoo selection, put up their hand them. 1, 2, 3. All right. Spotlight. All who said Spotlight did good in that cockatoo selection. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Keep up the hand. Keep up them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. All right. 14. All right. All who said Cosmic did really good with that cockatoo. Wanna keep up the hand them. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Yeah, put it up now. 18. All right. That get it. All right. We're going along again, checking on my list that I have here from the promoter. Okay, this one is a good one. We're going to Dennis Brown. I want everybody, if I go on a Dennis Brown selection, and play me your best Dennis Brown. No, you may hear a favorite of yours that the other sound player. You need to find something else. All right, cannot beat. All right, Dennis Brown is the next artist up, going down the line. No repeating the song. Black Roots, your turn.
Dennis Brown have the most songs with boy. You're supposed to have that lineup.
This is supposed to be a good one, because Dennis Brown have so much hits. Selassie, I know. Cha-cha, one of my favorite artists. We wish we did the competition. God see Dennis Brown.
No.
General. Big tune coming from Mr. D Brown. Up next is Bassline. Every daddy, play me a wicked Dennis Brown, better than another one. There.
Love and hate
Bop, 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 bop.
never be friends. Oh no, oh no. Here I come with nothing but hatred. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow all the days of my life. If we don't want no wish to be with no evil man. For then come the day that the Father's hand.
So not be a wicked.
Yo, you're back to help out a little bit. You see, when I play some of them big heavy song there, you can make the people them sing out the chorus. The man said, the way they will help you get a forward. That's just my little advice to them. Understand? Alright, up next, it is Remington. Play me a wicked D Brown.
Let love get a hold of you. Choo, and see what's come over you. You. Got love sweet and true. Choo. Let my love get a hold of you. Now tonight we're gonna make sweet love. Hey. Under the moon and stars above. Yeah.
All right.
It's the only way.
Thank you so kind. Thank you. So, you're up. Let me say, make sure, sir, on the outdo, the last person will play. You understand? Sometimes your favorite might not be the crowd favorite, so sometimes you have to kind of come out of your own head and just say, yo, I know say people overall love this. So you just put your favorite to the side and draw something where you don't work. Yeah, man. So here what happened. Up next, Spotlight Sound.
Come along, yeah, and dig my song. Too much wilderness, too much antagonist. Wolves and leopards are trying to kill the sheep and the shepherd. Yes.
Check. And them vibes that me a talk about, man. Play where you know work. Sometimes if we put our favorite or we listen our car to the side sometime, and just say we know say the crowd love this. Tap! Play somewhere you know say the crowd love. Check. All right. Real quick. This one should be really easy for everybody. Crowd participation. Real quick. All who say Black Roots draw a wicked Dennis Brown for start after Dennis Brown start until the ear. Put them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. Moving along. Heavy Daddy bassline. All who say bassline play a wicked D Brown put up on a hand. 1, 2, 3. John Star. 4, 5, 6. Then you take time to climb up the hill, what you mean? All who say Remington play a wicked D Brown and put up on a hand. Alright. Moving on to Spotlight. All who say Spotlight play a wicked D Brown. Mr. Mark Dragon, all of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. All right. Dragon look like, well, let's find out from that. All who say Cosmic play a wicked D Brown. Well, I'm going to put it on.
That was a wicked D Brown.
2. All right. In a city,
That was a wicked D Brown, though.
All right, up next, the next artist.
That did play a good D Brown.
One more, another round. All who say another round of Dennis Brown, put it on. Crowd, let me see the parties with it. All right, the crowd say one more round of Dennis Brown. And we'll for each song you have some. We know I can't find some. After this, the next artist is Garnet Silk. So everybody know who's coming next. After D Brown is Garnet Silk. So the crowd say one more round of Dennis Brown. We're gonna do another round of Dennis Brown, okay?
Yo.
You ready? All right. Black Roots.
Oh, I wake up in the morning with my hair down in my eyes. She says when I stumble to the breakfast table while the kids were going off to school, goodbye.
Your food take out here already.
Yeah, I know.
She reaches out,
Let me take care of
takes
you.
my hand, squeezes it and says, how you feeling? Look across her smiling lips that warms my heart. You see my morning sun. And if that's not loving me,
All right. Black Roots, that was the Black Roots. Up next is the bass line. Happy Danny. I would have Mad Indian as select. No time. Up next is the Remington. Remember, the goal is for outdo their sound. Alright? Squeeze.
the first time I laid eyes on you, you teased and said I'm untrue. First time I laid eyes on you, you teased and said I'm untrue. You're leaving my home tattoo. I was in love with you. Girl,
The best one, hold on.
so caress me, embrace me, girl. You'll never ever go.
Thank you so kind. Remember, you see the chorus, very important for get the crowd involved. You understand? Yeah, man. Big song coming down from the Remington sound. Up next is Spotlight. Dragon!
What that? Don't drip. You must say Obi at the blood class.
Are you the daddy over there? Do it.
The man say Obi.
Check. Why? Somebody guzum work wicked around there. That the man them say you have one daddy over there. I know that drunk, you understand? Alright. Moving on to Cosmic Sound. Now with that, a whole heap of hit song Dennis Brown have. Find me one better than the rest we just play a while ago.
Hold on, this is for real. Whoa, yeah. Tell me why can't I be your friend all night? Yeah. You know that I'll always want to be by your side. Ooh, yes. Say you give me joy, and I feel good. Love and happiness, let us be like witches and clover, and all I ever wanted to do is be.
Now, the question again. All who say Black Roots, Dennis Brown, take the one, the hands in the air. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. All right, on to Heavy Danny, baseline sound. All who say baseline play one wicked D Brown, I want to put them on them, put them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yo, yeah, 9, 10, 11, 12. Blood clot star. Yo, yeah, climb the ladder, youth. All right. All who say Remington play one bad D Brown, I want to put up their hand them. 1, 2, 3. So now I deal with the brother man, Jano. I the man put it on, you know, man. Or the man I deal with them so wicked. Jano, star. Moving on to Matt Dragon. Now we understand the song this stop, but I think you all heard the song. All who said Dragon did good in his selection of Dennis Brown, put up on her hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All who say Cosmic, friend for life. All who say Cosmic, Dennis Brown did very well more than everybody else. Put up the hand them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Well, all right. Cosmic get it. All right. So Cosmic did very good in the Dennis Brown selection. The next selection is Garnet Silk. We're moving on to Garnet Silk. Best Garnet Silk wins the round. Best Garnet Silk win the round, and that's another artist that has a slew of hits. Remember Plug and Play September 26th. There is no other, for real, especially in these times where we see what's going on around the world. We need more love in these times. Selassie, I know. Up next, it is the bass line, Heavy Danny with Body Indian and Select Round. Mayo, make sure you play something. Yeah, man.
Oh, Father, watch in Zion. Hear our voice, oh God, to lead our prayer. And accept your thanksgiving. Father, we thank you for all that you have done and for what you're doing now. Yeah. The Lord is our shepherd and shall not want. He maketh me to lie in green pastures. He leadeth me beside the still water.
the Black Emperor, Rastafari.
I want to go on. What that? Yeah. So with the time I'm doing for pressing the sample, like that. Yeah, man. Big song coming up from Garden Silk, Words of Prayers. We need that in a them time because we see how the world run. Most of all, we see how America run. Now run the way it used to run. Now may I say, we the poor people now benefit is one of the people at the very top. So right now, we need the prayer and the love. Right now, we need all things are run. Now, Remington, Garden Silk.
Let them keep talking. Whoa, bark if you're barking. Oh yes, let them talk, keep them talking. Hey, we're gonna keep them talking. Laugh when they're talking, yeah. We've got a lot more coming. Gonna keep them talking. We're gonna keep them talking. Laugh when they're talking, yeah. We've got a lot more coming. Who have ears to hear, let them hear. And who have eyes to see, let them see. No one in this world can stop me, 'cause I'm protected by the Almighty. Jah is with me wherever I go. Oh, I know Jah loves me so. One thing I know, and of that I'm sure. I'm gonna talk, keep them talking. We're gonna keep them talking, laugh when they're talking, oh yes. We've got a lot more coming.
Check 1, 2. So here what happened. We're having some difficulties with the machine. You know them things I got already. A man make them and a God make them. So they are imperfect and there things will happen. So we're gonna move on to the cosmic sound. Play me a Garden Silk better than everything with your ear just play.
Hey baby, love is coming at you. So you better be prepared. Hey, yeah. You found love is like a brand new toy. It fills you up, you wanna burst with joy. When you're in love, it's a wonderful thing. Your mind at rest, you wanna try your best. Prepare a place in your heart, that's where it all starts. A place in your heart, make love your resort.
Check. All right, real quick, vote this one out. All who say Black Roots play one of the wickedest Garden Silk, hands up in the air. Hands up, 1, 2, 3. All right, 3. Moving on. Every Danny. Baseline sound. All who say baseline play the wicked Garden Silk, put them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Russ, 14. No, 12, 13, 14. All right. Looking good. You climb the ladder, youth. Moving along. Remington sound. All who say Remington play the wicked Garden Silk, put the hands up. 1, 2, 3. Yo, not fight against the youth, so my youth. John, no, like no fight against the youth. Moving on to Dub Cosmic. All who said Dub Cosmic play the wicked Garden Silk, put the hands up. John, no, you want to see a Heavy Danny win the one there? Big up Heavy Danny. Yo, my youth, wicked youth, like that my youth. Selassie, I know, blood fire. Yeah. All right, next artist, we're going to move on to Sugar Minot. Sugar Minot, who dropped out. So, of course, the list we're going to get is like a tribute to most of the artists who did great work who passed away. So, we'll play a tribute to them. Sugar Minot is up next. Jado, that's another artist we play, well, I'll not say play, but did a lot of hit songs in his career. Black Roots.
Coming from the country with my back at Cali, I woke up on a DC. Him want to hold me. Don't you run down, youth man.
Now tell you, big song coming up from Mr. Sugar Minus. Jano, Selassie, I like that one there. Up next, it is Bassline Sound. Sugar Minus.
No vacancy, no vacancy. You can't get a job. No vacancy. I wake up in the morning. I make her only tracksuit. No vacancy, no vacancy. You can't get a job. No vacancy. I wake up in the morning. I make her only tracksuit. I drop my gun seeking. You them need feeding. Everywhere you go, it's like they
Selassie, everybody are going out here. Well, make we see if Remington are going to defeat that.
My name is Sugar. I was born on the west side of town. Way down the ghetto. How many feel about love and job? But you can die much love. Love and job is easy cause it's good to me. I give my love the job. That's all I wanna do. Love and job. I see the sun can shine.
Thank you so kind. Thank you so kind. That was Remington Sound. His selection of Sugar Booger Minot. Up next is the Dub Cosmic. Try beat them three them with your ear a while ago.
Some of them are early visitors, but as the journey gets longer, enough of them get some weaker. Oh gosh, but them are going life, I do my own one thing. Some of them are early visitors, but as the journey gets longer, enough of them get some weaker. Oh gosh, but them are going life. Alone one thing, but it not go work. In my wrong life, I do my alone one thing. One come treat us like a jerk, but the race is not for the swift, neither for the strong, but for the man who can enjoy to the end. To me, don't know say, love of them in my early visitors. And as the journey get longer, never them, they gonna get weaker.
Check. Yeah, well, this one is a good one. Let's ask the question real quick. All who say Black Roots play a wicked Sugar Man, go, give me some vote now, man. Give me some vote. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You vote, brother, you have to come over. All right, so 9, 10. Okay, 11, 12, 13. What? I like it. All who say Bassline Sound play a wicked Sugar Minot. Bob, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 15, 16. 17, okay, blood clots time. Yeah, brother, you know what say, I swear to God, you know what a record said to me, say, he might go get 17. The man nailed it, I think it's a lucky number. Go to the lottery store and look for one of them, scratch off there and pick number 17 and play it. All right, so, that was Evidane. Let's see, Dub. Remington, always Remington played a wicked. Yo, even. Remington say, yo, just skip me. All right, go straight to Dub. Dub, always said Dub played a wicked Sugar Minot. Hands up, hands up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, oh shit, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 15, 16. Ja, no, miss it by 1. Yeah, no, me get them. 17. Oh shit, blacks, you had your hand up? Well, you what happened? You see two blacks, so black, him just 15 with the 10, me not even see him. No, it's a tie. Alright, so let's, okay, Sugar Minott has a lot of hit songs. Let's do a tiebreaker between the two songs. We are going at that next. A tiebreaker. Find me a wicked Sugar Minott and Dap, find me a wicked Sugar Minott. Yeah man, baseline I got, boy. Bad Indian I work over there. Ready? Yeah man, yeah, crowd participation. Them ready? Alright, Dap ready? Alright, you ready? Squeeze. You not ready? Yeah man, if you're ready, play. But you want them play first? No, I just between them two here. But Indian, you ready? Alright, so play if you're ready.
Nice. Easy. No way. I saw we love it like that. I would never bust no shutter. I saw we love it like that. I saw the dance all started back. I saw we love it like that. I'm a Rita, beg you play it from the top. The music is nice, okay. You gonna hold up on your girl on me.
Alright, we just heard from Heavy Danny. Okay, up next is Cosmic Sound.
Them just a rush me. Them just a rush me. The woman in my life.
You never have to go no further. All who say Cosmic win, just put up on hand. Just, alright. All who say Heavy Danny just win, put up on hand. Okay, see it there. Cosmic, the tiebreaker, let me get it. Spotlight, you're back in business? Back in business. Okay, so the next artist up is Barry Saman Buju. Some kind of half blind. Yes, this is a combo. This artist, Barry Saman and Buju, a little more time. Every song is going to play that Barry Saman and Buju a little more time. So here what happened. I have two of them here. Based on what the promoter gave me. He says it could be either. Barry Saman, Rockaway. These two songs are going to highlight the quality of your sound system. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to play both artists. So let's say if the sound, starting with Black Roots play Barry Saman Buju, then the next song play the Rockaway, then Barry Saman Buju, then the next song play Rockaway. So that way the two artists then get work out and then uno decide which song uno prefer. We're going to start with Black Roots, Barry Saman, Buju Banton, a little more time.
I try to say I love you, but I get sometimes.
you brighten up my life, making it so light. You're a nice and decent friend, blown to burn. The feel up to my castle, the message to my world. Brighten up my life.
Thank you so kind. Thank you so kind. That was the Black Roots, Barry Salmon and Abuja Bata. Just a little more time. Up next, it is a heavy bass line. Barry Salmon and Abuja, little more time. No. We're going to make everybody play the same song. Everybody just play the same song. And then when we do the next round, we do the Rockaway. Yeah, everybody just play the same song. Look over here, sir. What's the discrepancy? What is the discrepancy? But how hard it is to just go in the history and just type in that? Everybody over there can't read and write. Just type it in on the computer. Thank you so kind, thank you so kind. Now we know said that was a Barry Salmon by himself, but don't worry, you have to make it up with the Rockaway. Up next is the Remington sound. Barry Salmon and Butcher, just a little bit more time. Squeeze.
And now, the sequel continues.
Remington. So here what happened. I think I have to tell the item still, but you see back in the days, I'm going to take them back to my time. We were up in an Act 3 and Sunbeam and these places. We used to don't put in the bass till Buju come in. Because that was the sweet part. We just make Barry Salmon just want to sing out and then you just, when Buju ready for come in, you just choke the bass. You understand? So, when I play the song then in the future, yeah man, I'll start to deal with it. Up next is the Spotlight. My Dragon. Yeah, you say it's so sweeter, you don't rush the bass, man. For them song there, you hold it to when the DJ are coming and say, yo, no bass yet. Cosmic, you're up next.
Woman just a little more time. Put the singing on me world, I want you back to know me life. Make it listen like bird, just a little more time. Put the singing on me world, I want you back to know me life. Make it listen like paradise and decent, well brown tongue girl. The pillow to my castle, the message to my world. Like to know my life, and you're no shine, shine girl. I want you walk me your life and give me full control.
Pull it up. Real quick, crowd participation. All who say Black Roots played a wicked cut or a wicked version of the Bersam and Butcher. I'm gonna put up on the hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. All who say Heavy Danny played a wicked cut, or should I say baseline sound, played a wicked cut of the Bersam and Butcher. I'm gonna put up on the hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 6. All who say Remington played a wicked version of that song. Put it on the hand. 1, 2,
It's the
3,
same song though. Like what?
4. All right. All who say Spotlight played a wicked version of that song. Gonna put it on the hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. All who say Cosmic played a wicked version of that song. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, is that tie? Is that tie? Should we pick a song to make it a break?
Yeah.
Give me Winnie Wonder, Butcher Banton, Movie Star. That's a good one. Good quality song. Straight out of the Penthouse studio. Between Spotlight, Matt Dragon, Dap Cosmic Sound, Movie Star, Winnie Wonder. Now, we know say if also have it with Bujo. If you have the winner by itself, I'll accept that too. But you know it's sweeter with the Bujo. Are you ready? Who ready? Dragon, you ready? Yeah, squeeze.
You know that I'm rich, come on, it's no objective. You know that I'm rich, come on, it's no objective. But from the school nothing we have it in stock. Oh yes.
You may not be a movie star, you may not drive a big fast car, but I love you in every way. I love you in every way. I don't know why. I don't know why. I don't know why. Oh,
Cosmic, Winnie Wonder Bujo, Movie Star.
You know that I'm rich, come on, it's no objective. But from the school nothing we have it in stock. Oh yes.
You may not be a movie star, you may not drive a big fast car, but I love you in every way. I love you in every way. I don't know why. I don't know why. I don't know why.
Woman, you may not be working and drive a fast car. Come here and let you out and we are come from far. You remember when we only have one hour shirt and muscle with me in your cap.
Pull up real quick. The tiebreaker, who played the better version and the better quality of that song would have vote right now. All who said Dragon from the Spotlight, put up on the hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14. Cosmic. All who say Cosmic played a better version, put it on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Jesus Christ. All right, it's clear. All right, so the last one up is Rockaway by Barry Salmon. After the Rockaway, we're going to go into what we call the dub plate section, where every sound will find on the dub plate, because we are out of here at 7 o'clock. We have to lock up at 7, so it's 6:45 right now. So let's have some fun. The final song is Rockaway, Barry Salmon. Black Roots, Rockaway, Barry Salmon. Those were the days indeed. That was the baseline song. Up next is Remington. That was the Remington, his version of the Rockaway. Up next is the Spotlight Dragon. So kind. Up next is the dub Cosmic. Rockaway. So long. No, you know, so that was the last before we get inside the dub for dub round. Now, real quick, all who say Black Roots played a wicked version of the Rockaway on a vote, put up on a hand, let me see one. 1, 2, 3,
3, 4, 5, 6. 6 for Black Roots. All who say Heavy Danny bassline sound, play the wicked version. 1, 2, 3, 4. All who say Remington, play the wicked version of the Rockaway. Put it on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, 5. All who say Spotlight with Dragon, play the wicked version of the Rockaway. Hands up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11, 12, 13. Okay. 13 for Dragon. Fred Tate, big up yourself. Bless up. All who say Cosmic, play the wicked version of the Rockaway. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, 7. Spotlight, get it.
It's the same version of the song.
7 o'clock. We shutting down at 7 o'clock. So here, let's speed it up real quick. Okay, right. Oh wow, we have 8 minutes for play some tune for tune. 8 minutes of dub for dub. When I MC it, when just like we're gonna just do a thing where we just run through. A man play, him pull on him fader himself, and make the next sound chip in real quick. 7 o'clock, we gotta be out of here. Dub for dub. Starting Black Roots. Play your first dub.
Dance Hall Massive, a Black Roots sound on the case again. Father Roots, big up yourself every time. Brian Sniper. Oh, easy now. Marcel Griffiths on the case with Black Roots. There's a sound that I have heard about that's killing all of the sound. Black Roots, the sound I've heard about that's killing all of the sound.
Nobody dance sound. We don't feel no good tin pan the bird them on the ground with demons and dead body found. Big up yourself man like Ajay and Kenny. Sure. Run it pon them Ajay. Run it pon them Kenny. Start the punishment. Finish them. I didn't dance sound them rude them song. Them no feel no sound at all. Please imagine living in a world where you jump and sound. Imagine if every song bug you see, those boys taking on. What a wonderful world this will be. Our body can sound and me. No jump and scan.
My eyes have seen a trampling sound, and they just can't test the Remington sound. They're bound to go down. Eyes have seen a trampling sound, and they just can't test the Remington sound. They're bound to go down. Bad boy running off respect in all aspects. Run it. I don't know about Antonio. Shake them down. This is Remington sound. Time to tear them down. Cause this a one earthquake. Remington sound. I play the play. Look, when I play.
Love the sound like it up on record. Remy, you take that off of the dub plate, the original dub plate. You take that from a regular dub plate, right? That song?
Oh, the rhythm came off, yeah.
Yeah, it sounds like it come from a regular dub plate.
Yeah, first time.
Yeah, the original metal plate.
And I mean it. Inner city is the sweetest sound.
And yes, I mean it. Tonight we gonna boom them down. Lord, all the while them coming at the dance, I want like them big and them broad. But sound boy, I want you to know in a city I the one of the land. We are go bury you, just because you test this a sound. We are go bury you, just because you go like a clown. We are go bury you. Yes, sound boy, we are go bury you.
You know, city wicked. When we a launch on the top, the enemy try a thing, you know, and it's a motor shot. We are bad. We never take.
Enter the mind of Dr. Kavarkian, bad killer. Haha, psychopathic. What's the things that we lose the psychedelic? Lord of mercy, cool as sparky. Sharp tonight. The murder people we know wait till night. All the murder people in a broad daylight. And a boy of this and him a get too bright. Tonight that I'm gonna look at me. We are both skull put boy under earth. If a boy test me, it just now work. We are kill jump and now we are come first. Ashes to ashes, them under dirt. We touch them but no you know we can't work. Everything test me know them head when purse. Now call a doctor, now call a nurse.
Black roots come again.
But Indian sound is one of a kind, and we play in dubs that's specially designed. Watch on the market again, I represent for the bad Indian sound. You're gonna agile, Kenny, run it. Yes, I, son of a die. People who know rap and come in, bad Indian the practice, you know. Tonight a murder, bad Indian just make the trap and chuckle. No make the baseline.
Check. Here what happened. Sorry for spoil the front, but I was just told that 7 o'clock on the dot, I have to turn off. Otherwise, I've got to pay more money. You know what I say? So thank everybody for coming out. It was a pleasure.